Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been about 2 months since my last upload, but here I am back again with another video. So today we are going to be doing a clear versus white foam. You guys requested it and I just thought it was a really good idea to do. And so let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. We're starting off with a full bottle of clear glue, and we're just going to be adding in glitter because it's just so pretty. And then for the activator, I actually ended up using 3/4 teaspoon instead of a full teaspoon because it needs to be slightly sticky. And so eventually I did end up using my hands and it becomes stringy like this. You just want to keep on kneading until you don't hear that sound anymore. So this is the finished results, and it is so smooth and so clear, and so that's how the clear one will end up looking. White foam, we're just going to be pouring some PVA glue, and then we're just going to go ahead and activate that just like normal. And once it starts pulling away from the bowl, you can go ahead and just use your hands. I always just end up using my hands regardless, and it just becomes such a huge mess, but it's always just so fun. And then I'm going to be coloring this yellow because I just thought that would be a really fun color to make. For the clear slime, I actually put it into a bigger container so it would become clearer faster. And then I got the white styrofoam beads from eBay, and so they were really cheap and they were only like $1 per bag. You can also buy it from Amazon or AliExpress as well. There's definitely a ton of websites you can purchase it from. I really do like a ton of clear slimes because you can do a ton of variety with them because of the glitters and colors as well, mix and match. They're just so pretty. Overall, foam is just really nice to play with. So when I mixed in the white beads, I just thought about Ron from Harry Potter. Like, I don't know why. It doesn't make sense, but I just thought that would be a really cute touch to add. Overall, I'm kind of biased here because I just really like this yellow one because it just really reminded me of like Harry Potter. I have no idea why. So usually I would pick the clear glue slime over the opaque one, but this time I think I really like the yellow one a lot. So between these two, it really just comes down to preference, whichever one you guys like. And so if you guys like that glitter look that you guys can actually see, definitely just go ahead and use the clear one. But before the actual texture and the longevity, it seems like both of them don't have that much difference. And so it just really comes down to what you prefer. I do like both of them regardless. I don't know, I really like this one with the activator. This time I used 3/4 instead of 1 whole teaspoon, and so I really like that for these. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I will be uploading more. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.